Sarracenia UNC Hybrid Doodle Bug is a carnivorous plant that belongs to the Sarracenia family. This plant is known for its unique and striking pitcher-shaped leaves that are designed to trap and digest insects. Sarracenia UNC Hybrid Doodle Bug is one of the several complex hybrids developed at the University of North Carolina. Sarracenia UNC Hybrid Doodle Bug is a small, low-growing carnivorous plant that typically grows up to 8 inches in height. Its leaves are pitcher-shaped with a bright green base and a deep red top portion. The opening of the pitcher is rimmed with small white hairs that act as traps for insects. Inside the pitcher, there is a sticky liquid that aids in insect digestion. This plant produces small flowers on tall stalks that emerge from the center of the rosette of leaves. It is native to the southeastern United States and thrives in warm, humid climates. It prefers to grow in full sun and in soil that is consistently moist and acidic. In cultivation, this plant is typically grown in a mix of sphagnum, peat moss, and perlite. It can be grown in a container or planted directly in the ground. This plant is hardy to USDA zones 6 through 9 and can tolerate temperatures down to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. It is a unique and interesting plant that can add visual interest to any garden. It is best grown on its own or with other carnivorous plants that have similar growing conditions. Sarracenia UNC Hybrid Doodle Bug is primarily grown for its unique and striking appearance. It is an excellent plant for collectors of carnivorous plants or for anyone looking to add a new and interesting plant to their collection. In addition to its visual appeal, it is also a fascinating plant to observe as it captures and digests insects.